By virtue of the authority vested in me as Director IIM, I award you the postgraduate diploma in business management and pray that forever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Sir, I now present such students as are not present in the convocation this afternoon. I request that they may please be awarded the postgraduate diploma in business management in absentia.
By virtue of authority vested in me as Director of IIM, I award the postgraduate diploma in business management in absentia to all those successful students who could not receive the diploma in person at this convocation this afternoon.
Sir, I now present those meritorious students to you who have been adjudged for the award of Dr. Kulwant Rai Gold and Silver Medals for excellence in academic and co-curricular activities. I request the chairperson, Mrs. Malvika Rai, to please give away the medals and certificates of merit to these deserving students. Dr. Kulwant Rai Silver Medal for securing first position in marketing specialization in the postgraduate diploma in business management 2006 is awarded to Ms. Shweta Berry. Dr. Kulwant Rai Silver Medal for securing first position in finance specialization in the postgraduate diploma in business management 2006 is awarded to Ms. Nisha Mary Joan. Both these students are currently in Grenoble as a part of the exchange program. We congratulate their parents. Dr. Kulwant Rai Silver Medal for securing first position in the human resource specialization in the postgraduate diploma in business management 2006 is awarded to Ms. Shalaza Dhingra. Dr. Kulwant Rai Silver Medal for securing first position in the International Business Specialization in the Postgraduate Diploma in Business Management 2006 is awarded to Manoj Kunwant. Dr. Kulwant Rai Silver Medal for co-curricular performance in the postgraduate diploma in business management is awarded to Mr. Manish Kumar. Sir, I now present to you the recipient of the Dr. Kulwant Rai Gold Medal for securing the first position at the postgraduate diploma in business management 2006, Ms. Shalaza Dhingra. Sir, this concludes the award of diplomas and the medals.
Thank you, Shabna. I have the pleasure of requesting our chief guest this evening to give his convocation address.
Members of the Board of Governors, of IILM, Srimati Malvika Rai, Chairperson, Professor B. Bhattacharya, Director, students, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be with you on the occasion of the 11th annual convocation of the IILM Graduate School of Management of the Institute for Integrated Learning in Management. I thank IILM for providing me an opportunity of meeting the young leaders for tomorrow. I just take my water. Dr. Kulwant Rai has been my very long time friend, and I would like to sincerely congratulate him and compliment him for setting up such a management institute. I hope, Malvika ji, you will convey to him my respectful regards and appreciation. IILM has made significant achievements since its inception in 1993 and has earned a reputation for its quality management, education, research, and consultancy. I am glad to learn that the Institute is among the top 15 B schools in India, and a recent survey of IMA, IMRB Business School has ranked IILM once again as category A+ business school. The Institute has also entered in foreign collaborations, strategic alliances, and exchange arrangements with internationally acclaimed institutions. All these should be a source of great satisfaction and pride to Dr. Kulwant Rai and all those who have been associated with bringing up an institution of this eminence. Let me offer my heartiest congratulations to all those who have successfully completed PG Diploma in Business Management. You are now ready to embark on a new and challenging phase of your life. My heartiest good wishes to each one of you as you begin the exciting journey. We are in India's golden era of growth and confidence. This is an era full of opportunities and challenges. Every day I watch with awe the tremendous new opportunities that are emerging. The future lies in the integration